All right, so I snuck over to the mainland today. We got a winter storm coming in, and I'm hoping to go get to play in the snow and the ice tomorrow. So I wanted to put some GoPro mounts on Brandy here, and here's what I did using the utility belt. I took some L-bracket hardware and this guy from Bullet Point, and it makes for a great mount. I've actually got 3 of these things on here now, so a lot of different angles. This one right here is to get down to this wheel well. Anyway, gonna be really cool. I'll add some video.